Good morning. Baby's getting some Super Puffs. Super Puffs. Organics. Is it good? Does she like it?
Yes. You do it.
You pick it up.
Oh, you dropped it. We found it. That's right.
Good morning. Clap, clap, clap. Good morning. Good job. Anyways, baby's got some Super Puffs today. They taste like Fruit Loops to me, but not as sweet. We're here this morning. Niecy looks good this morning. She's over there resting again. She slept all night. Didn't even get up once to go to the restroom. She usually gets up in the middle of the night, and Jennifer takes her out to use the restroom. But last night, she just stayed out. So we'll see the kids later, and we'll meet up with them and do some dinner with them tonight. And they'll stay the night. They'll stay the night with us tonight. And play with Audrey. Oh, you want more? Let me get you more. Let me get you more. Let me help you there. Let me help you. You got two in your hand. Good job. Yeah, you want to clap at them? Clap, clap, clap. Anyways, I gotta go outside and feed Lucy. So, feed Lucy this morning, get her some fresh air, and then open the garage up a little bit. That would be nice. Alright, so it's been a quick day. We didn't do nothing all day long. We did a little bit of cleaning, a lot of resting. Jennifer took a nap with baby. She had a headache today. You feel better now?
Your face is swollen.
Look at this dog.
Abigail.
Why don't you like the camera, dog?
Oh, cute. Cute on camera. No. So mean.
Anyways, baby's ready to go eat. Well, is the chicken ruined?
Yeah.
So Jennifer left this chicken out, blaming you, left the chicken out all night long and all day. So we're not eating that. The kids were gonna come over tonight, but they're gonna stay, they're gonna do something else. So they're staying this weekend with their mom, some friends, cousins. It was one of their cousins' birthday this weekend, so they might stay over there, I'm not sure. But they won't be here this weekend, they'll be here on Tuesday. So a couple more days before we see them, but for now, we're gonna go something to eat, get some dinner, figure something out. All right, baby's bundled up. We didn't have a beanie for her last night. We did in the bag in the car, but we didn't have it on her outside. So tonight we got her bundled up. You ready to go, pretty? Tell them hi. Where you been all day? Eating? Sleeping?
Yes.
Yeah? What else? Hanging out with Mama today?
Yes.
Were you hanging out with Mom? Yeah. It's good. Good hang out with Mom. You hanging out with Mom all day? Yeah. That's what you've been doing. She's been hanging out with Mom, sleeping, cuddling. Even though it says, I love cuddles with Dad on her shirt. You're cuddling with Mom all day today, huh? Anyway, spending some quality time with Mom. Her day off. Let's go.
So anyways, now we're here at McDonald's. We're waiting for Grandma to get ready. And we're gonna pick up a coffee that'll kind of hold us over. We didn't get lunch because I left the chicken out all night. So that's a little bit of a waste, but here we are.
Hi, how may I help you? Hi, can I get a large hot coffee with 5 cream, 5 sugar? Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, so got our coffee ordered, and now we're just gonna go get Grandma and head to somewhere else to eat for dinner, but probably Mexican.
Look at Grandma's light. You like Grandma's light up here? Look at. Hello.
No, she wants coffee.
Coffee cup. That's not yours. Baby, what you got? You excited? Alright, so we just got back from eating dinner with my mom. We took my mom out to dinner to eat to a Mexican restaurant. Went to Sinaloa's, which is a Mexican restaurant downtown. It's been there for quite a bit of years. I guess the house was a orphanage home at one time, back in the early day. I don't know what days, but now it's turned to a Mexican restaurant. And I think the waitress said it was an Italian restaurant before that, but and supposedly it's haunted. She said that she's heard people talking in dark rooms, footsteps, someone kind of grabbing her by the hips or the waist, I guess, like putting their arms on her. So she said it's haunted. I believe it. There's some stuff down there that people always say that's, you know, haunted part of town. So, but now we're home, and this gift, well, we have a bunch of gifts, kind of, maybe like 3 or 4. We have 3 or 4 gifts that baby hasn't opened from Christmas. So here we got some stuff we're going to try to open up and see what happens. She's already enjoying the string. I think that's to pull the phone, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So that's to pull the phone. She's already having fun with it.
Look, is
Well,
it gonna be you?
well, it's still in the box.
Is it gonna be you? What's this?
That's one big cell phone right there.
What's this?
Baby got a new cell phone. Look at that thing. What is that? Yeah, look at. Let's get it out so we can see it. Look at.
Oh, you want these? You want these?
All right, let's open it up and see what it looks like.
Okay, this one. Toy number 1. Look at there.
Look at baby, pretty basic stacker, huh? You got your donuts, and then you put your one right here, and you put it. Look at, yeah, right here. Right here, look at this. Look at. We can learn your colors too, so we can learn her colors as well. Yeah. Blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Red. That's an original, or not original, that's the one they would call it. Old school ones. And then we got this little box. Woo. We got a box right here with some shapes in the lid. And then all these blocks will stick in there. Look at all these blocks. You can carry it right there by yourself. Look at this one. I'll say the eyes used to move, remember? Mm-hmm. I think the eyes used to move sideways, the old ones. But these are a modern day toy that were vintage toys back in the day, though. I remember having this as a kid, when I was a kid.
I think I remember the blocks.
Say hello. Well, a lot of things have blocks with shapes in particular shapes.
Oh, no, I think we have one of those.
Yeah.
2. I think I had all 3, but
But it is Fisher Price. So, I mean, Fisher Price has been around for a long time. So, it's a cool little toy set. I'm glad the baby got it. But now that she's kind of up on her own more, she can play with it and have some fun with it. And she can start learning her colors. Just playing with it for now, but this would be a good thing to learn her colors. Orange, yellow, green, blue. It's a bracelet. Look at fashion. You're in style, baby. Look at your phone. Hello? Who? Audrey? Yeah, she's right here. Who is this? Okay, Audrey, it's for you. It's for you, baby. Here, you talk. Hello. So let's play with that pretty. Let's take this trash out.
yay! Yay!
You're talking like emphasizing something.
You got your
Look at yourself.
first Christmas gift from
Mommy and Daddy, we picked that up for, it was a Costco special.
Did you buy that?
Yeah. Yay. Abigail wants to play too. Abigail. Abigail.
Look at pretty. Look at all your blocks.
You gonna play with the toys too?
Look at all your blocks.
You gonna play? You're ready to go to bed. Yeah, you are.
Look at all your little blocks.
Oh.
Plus, we got a purple circle. Purple circle. Red square. Square. And yellow star. And they don't go in just any hole. You gotta put them in a holder. Silly little girl. Triangles. Ooh. So blocks. Blocking the way, block.
So the box on the toy says that the phone should be for 12 months and up, and that the blocks and the little circle holder thing stacker from 6 months and up, but I think it's going to be more like the blocks are 12 months and up before she really grasps the concept.
The reason why they say the phone is because of the string on it.
Yeah, and the phone.
Choking hazard.
The phone she can play with stationary, you know, while one of us is watching her.
Supervised.
Until she gets to the age where she can walk and pull the string. But, you know, she might use the blocks for
TV.
chewing device. She seems to like it for that, but I don't think, you know, it'll be a few months before she'll
Well, it's good.
really get it in the hole.
Right. Well, it's good. We can put the box with no lid on it. Just throw it in there.
Yeah.
Maybe she'll like the sound of it. But it's good. Eye and hand-eye coordination. That way she grasps and holds things. So kind of cool.
So that's
Christmas
basically
gift.
her first Christmas gift, other than her stocking stuffers and family gifts that she got that we finally decided to open. And then she's got 2 other gifts that she can open, you know, a little bit later on when she's able to stand and walk. But they'll be fun for later on. Until now, she's got a ton of toys. Oh, got a hold of your bucket? Look at you. What a big girl. You so big.
Just load you up. Put the ring
So
on
I
it,
think
too.
for Audrey's review of the Fisher-Price Classic Toy Set, she gives it a big thumbs up and an A+. She likes it. Yay for vintage toys. We like vintage toys.
Good purchase. Alright, so I think we're just going to go ahead and call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It wasn't too much today. Just a little bit of family time. Jennifer enjoyed spending time with the baby today, just relaxing on her day off. We took a nap together. And hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.